Hi everybody, I just wanted to take a few minutes and show you my Singer model 9015, and this is a thrift store find. The machine itself cost $7 after the senior discount that I got at the thrift store here in my home state. And what I want to do is just take a few minutes and show you how this machine operates. It's got 9 different settings for stitches. The straight stitch is number 5, zigzag 6, 7, 8, 9 are all zigzags. And this machine was pretty dirty when I first bought it, so I had to clean some grunge off of it. I think it's probably been stored in somebody's garage. And it was sitting there on a shelf at the thrift store, all pitiful and lonely, just kind of sitting up against some stuff, and there was no pedal for it. So they just wanted to get rid of it. And so I went online on eBay and bought a pedal for it for $10. And this is what the pedal plug looks like. And that's what you always want to check if you're ordering something off the internet, that your plug is going to fit what they're selling. And this one looked like it did. And so I plugged that in, and it goes right in there. It works like it's supposed to. And so it was just the machine, no pedal, no manual, and no attachments or anything. But it was complete in that it had a presser foot and a needle, and the needle moved up and down. You can order the manuals online, so I ordered this one. I think you can just go to singer.com, but there's other sources for manuals, and print it off. And so that worked out well. This is the kind of, it's called a 66 model bobbin. It just drops in like that. And if you know anything about sewing, then you bring the bobbin thread up and you're ready to go. So let's see what this $7 sewing machine, Singer model 9015, will do. And this is just a single layer of denim right now, but I'm going to double it over here if it does well and see how it does. So let's try, that's on number 9. Let's start all the way with a straight stitch, which is number 5. The on switch is right here. And here we go. Oops, I got it in reverse. Let's go the other way. That's getting a little bit balled up there. Let me get this needle up here. Yeah, I didn't really want to start this thing in reverse, so let's try this again. There we go, got that out of the way. So you got to get the needle thread back under the foot and get this going that way. But anyway, you can see even with that, I'm doing very fine stitching. It's on number 2. This is the stitch per inch control right here. You can see that. And so that's pretty fine. So let's go over here to, I guess that'd be about 3.5. We'll try that one on this next. We'll do a zigzag this time. And I'll do number 6, which is that one. This is how it's supposed to look. So let's see how this thing does. I'll show you how my $7 treasure did. That is the zigzag stitch, front and back. Excellent. All right, now we'll try a double layer of denim. Let's see, let's go this way with it. It'll be a short one. So we're gonna go here. And I'm gonna choose number 9. So it's gonna look like that one. All right. That's stitch number 9. All right, that's a double layer of denim. Let's try 1, 2, 3. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Let's go this way. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do number 8, zigzag. That's interesting. So there is number 8. So anyway, I just thought you guys might get a kick out of seeing a $7 sewing machine Singer that you sometimes can find if you look in these thrift stores, and then get the parts you need off the internet, and for about $20 roughly, you've got a great running sewing machine. Hope you enjoyed it.